This Shabbat we will read Be'ezrat Hashem Parashat Shekalim. The meaning of Shekalim. At the time of the Bet HaMikdash, the Holy Temple, Am Israel gave sacrifices to Hashem. Some of them were Korbanot Tzibur, public sacrifices. It means some sacrifices they have to bring from the money of each one of Am Israel. Everyone had to be partner, to be part of it together, and they used to give every day 2 lamps, את הכבש אחד תעשה בבוקר, 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening, in the end of the day. And also every Shabbat, Rosh Chodesh, holidays, they had to bring special korban, korban musaf. That sacrifices, that korbanot, should come from the money of each one of Am Israel. Now we don't have Bet HaMikdash, but we are making zecher lemachatzit shekel, to remember that donation. So we give also donation, and because we cannot give it for the Bet HaMikdash, we have to give it for tzedakah. And the best tzedakah is to give to Talmidei Chachamim. Chachamim said, the Gemara said, Im bikashta la'asot tzedakah, if you want to make the best tzedakah, give it to the people that worshiping Hashem and learning Torah. Learning Torah. So now that's what we are doing. But before, at the time of Bet HaMikdash, and Be'ezrat Hashem, when the 3rd Bet HaMikdash will be built, we will give each one of us money for the sacrifices. The meaning is that we want each one of Am Israel to be part of it. When Jewish people making mitzvah, each one is making it separate, it's not big power like all of us together, one unit, all of Am Israel making mitzvah together. There is pasuk that when Am Israel will win their enemies, 5 will run after 100. 5 after 100, it means each one will beat 20. And then the pasuk said 100 from Am Israel against 10,000 of our enemies. It means each one will be able to fight against 100. It means as much as we are gathering Jewish people together more and more, our power become much, much stronger. So when all of Am Israel are praying together, worshiping Hashem together, so Hashem is listening to us. בעזרת השם נזכה לבשורות טובות, אמן כן יהי רצון.